Oh, hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how I made these cabinet doors, which are eventually going to be for a whiskey cabinet I'm working on. But the doors, they kind of took a long time, and I ran out of time to show you the whole whiskey cabinet. Truth is, I haven't even started on the whiskey cabinet yet because I got distracted on the doors. So I built the doors for this video, and next week I'm going to do a video on the whole whiskey cabinet. But for now, if you want to see how in the world I made these doors without a CNC, completely just with my hands, well, and power tools. When I say with my hands, I mean my hands holding tools. Anyways, I'm getting off topic. Watch the video, see how I made the doors, subscribe down below. There's links in the video description to all the tools and everything I used, and enjoy.